Let me show you how African exporters use incodocs.com to create commercial invoice documents. As an example, let's say I am an exporter in Africa and I have shipped 20 containers of bitter cola to my customer in the USA. At the top, I need to select an exporter. I can select from my list or click on create new, then add and save new company details. So let's select African exports. The consignee, I will just select from my pre-saved list, American Food Co. Please note, not all fields on this document are required. If you do not have any information, you can skip them if you want to. So my method of dispatch is by C, type of shipment, or choose full container load. The vessels like aircrafts, or just put okay. So the voyage number, okay, my port of loading is Lagos, Nigeria, Lagos. I'll choose my date of departure, port of discharge is Long Beach, in the USA. Final destination is Long Beach. Okay. So on my right hand side, now this is where I get to fill in the reference details. And if there's a third party involved, this way I get to select a third party. So for the invoice number, I will just put 2, then the date. You can fill in your bill of lading and other details. I'll just keep them for now. So country of origin of goods, that's Nigeria. The country of final destination is the United States. So now for the method of payment, let's say 50% deposit, balance upon bill of lading. Okay. Now this is where I get to add my products into my invoice. So I can click on create new to add and save new product details, or I can simply select my products from my pre-saved list. Let's select bitter cola. As you can see, it automatically populates these fields, description of goods and other fields for me. I don't need to manually enter the details all the time. All I need to do is to fill in my quantity, and I'll just choose 25 metric tons here. Then you can click on add line to add new products to your invoice. This additional information, this way you get to add additional information. Let's say 20 days time after deposit. Okay, I can add my bank details here if I want to, and this is where I get to add extra charges. This can be additional freight or surcharges. Under the Incoterms, I will choose FOB. The place is Lagos. I'll choose my currency USD. Place of issue is Lagos. Date of issue, choose my date. Signatory company should be my company, that's African Exports. So the name of authorized signatory, that will be my name. For the signature, you can either use your mouse to sign here, but if you have your signature saved with your profile, all you need to do is to click use profile signature, and it automatically populates that for you. So once you are done, just go over your documents to be sure you are filling the required fields, and then click save and finish. You see, this is a preview of our documents. So you can edit documents, you can download, you can print. So let's download this. Okay, I will just click to view. Good. So this is my commercial invoice created using incodocs.com. Thank you.